Okay, let's talk about jalapeno peppers, actually any pepper in general, and heat, and what makes them hot. You can see this one doesn't have any seeds. It does, however, have its pith. This white stuff here is the pith, and that's the stuff that makes a jalapeno or other peppers very hot. When you remove the seeds and the pith, you have a pretty, relatively mild jalapeno, and I say that mild with, whatever. Anyway, for our application here, I'm removing the seeds, but I'm keeping the pith. And on this one, I'm going to remove the pith and the seeds, so we'll have 1.5 times the strength. This one now has its pith removed, and this one still has its pith. So we're going to have, this one's going to be a little milder, and this one's going to be a little hotter. If these were Fresnos, or if they were red jalapenos, which come in the summer, which means they're fully ripe, they would be even hotter. But we've got these, and we're also going to have, I'm going to move these for a while, and we're also having these, which are being soaked. This is a New Mexico pepper, and this is a chipotle pepper, and a chipotle pepper is what? It is a dried version of a jalapeno pepper.